Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and this is how to create a new calendar in the new calendar view. So right above my calendars, there's a box for how to add a coworker's calendar, and right next to that is a plus sign. I'm going to click on the plus sign, and in the drop down, I'm going to choose at the very top, new calendar. After I choose new calendar, I can name it. This would be for maybe you're a club sponsor or a coach and you wanted to create a calendar with just those events on it that you could maybe share with your players or your co-sponsor or another coach. So I'm just going to say, I'm going to make this my volleyball calendar, and I'm going to create. After you have created a new calendar, you can go and edit, make some changes to the color and things like that, but I'm going to see it come up right here. And down at the bottom, I see configure. So I can click on configure, and here I'm back to my calendar settings. I can change invitations, make it available to the public, to just the district, or you can add specific people here at the bottom. And then you can kind of look through your other settings for your calendar, how you want your calendar to look, how your notifications, how you want to get your notifications. You can share it with a link. And if you no longer need that calendar, you can delete it down at the very bottom. Once you're done, you're just going to hit the back button to go back, and now I see my calendar right here.